Hello everybody, today we're going to be showing you how we make our s'mores at home. So first you're going to get all your ingredients together. That's going to be marshmallows, biscuits, and chocolate. And I guess pro tip, digestives actually taste so much better than the usual graham crackers people get. So I don't know, maybe you can give that a shot if you want. So first you're going to roast your marshmallow. Just stick it on the end of a stick and rotate it very slowly at a good distance above the fire so that it doesn't burn and catch on fire and everything goes crazy. Just make sure, you're keeping an eye on it, just making it nice and golden brown. And then you're going to sandwich it between the two crackers. Yeah, see, that one's a little bit on the burnt side. But some people enjoy it like that. Like half my family loves it burnt to a crisp and half of them don't. So it's just your preference, and it takes a little bit of time to get used to how high it needs to be away from the fire and all of that. But once you get it, then you can start making the s'mores the way you like. So see, that one's burnt to a crisp, that one right there. It's probably my brother. And this one my mom made with the digestive, and although you might not think it makes a big difference, I think it really does. It gives me more of an ice cream sandwich vibe. I know there's literally no ice cream in this, but it tastes really good. I don't know. So if anyone thinks this is an unoriginal video, it actually is original because we're using this biscuit instead, and it's a game changer, so you should try it too. So here's some deformed marshmallows that happened as well. And look how good they are. It still look good. I don't know what point he's trying to prove here, but yeah, very nice. And this was us doing it at the beach, I believe, the day after. Wow, look at that photography. We shouldn't even be a cooking show at this point. We should just we should become filmmakers. But yeah, that's how to make s'mores. And although it's simple, it's super good. Happy s'moring. Bye.